On today's menu, an extraordinary recipe to spice up that weekly menu. A delicious garlic chili knife pear noodles.
Lei Hong Ma, how's it going in Cantonese? Welcome to Young Man Cooking, I'm Yeung. Join me in this episode as we make one of my all-time favorite noodle dishes. Of course, as always, if you enjoyed today's recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Let's begin.
Preheat the oven to 425. Pat dry a block of extra firm tofu with a paper towel. Crumble the tofu into a mixing bowl. I'm using about 350 grams of extra firm tofu. You won't need all of this tofu for today's dish, but it's always nice to make a little bit more to have on hand. It doesn't have to be perfect, but be sure to break up those bigger chunks. 2 tablespoons dark soy sauce. 1 teaspoon umami powder.
This is a umami powder made in a past episode. It's not absolutely necessary, but I highly recommend it. It will add extraordinary flavor to this tofu crumble.
Keep in mind this umami powder has salt in it. 1 tablespoon chili oil.
And this smoky spicy chili oil was also made in a past episode, but I always have this on hand because it's absolutely delicious and so aromatic. I'll also leave another link in the description box below for you to check this out, make it really easily at home.
Give it a good mix to combine. This is one of my favorite ways to cook tofu. The flavor and texture is extraordinary. Transfer the tofu onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Take the time to spread it out so that it cooks evenly. Bake in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Bring some water to boil for the noodles.
These are knife pear noodles. They are cut into this really unique kind of ribbon-like texture. It really is quite sensational. You should be able to find these at an Asian supermarket, but if you can't find these, I would recommend a thick ramen noodle or a tao mein would be perfectly fine.
Chop down 2 sticks of green onion. The green onions will add freshness and a beautiful pop of green color. Grate 1 to 2 pieces of garlic. This is a garlic chili noodles after all, so no need to be shy on the garlic. Grate a small piece of ginger, then set this aside. Prep the sauce by pouring in 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, about 2 teaspoons of plant-based oyster sauce, a splash of toasted sesame oil. Give it a little stir and set aside. Cook the noodles to package instructions, in this case about 3 minutes. I'm using 2 bundles of noodles, which is about 100 grams. When the tofu is done, take it out of the oven. You may find that the tofu crumble may stick together. Simply use a spatula to chop it up. This tofu crumble has extraordinary salty umami and a really robust texture.
By the way, if you love easy and delicious recipes like I do, be sure to check out or pick up your copy of one of the 4 Young Man Cooking cookbooks. There is a print or digital version available in the link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com.
When the noodles are done, drain out as much water from them as possible. Non-stick pan. Medium heat. A couple tablespoons of peanuts. Toast the peanuts in the pan for 2 to 3 minutes. This will release some really nice aroma. Transfer the peanuts to a pestle and mortar and coarsely crush. This just adds an extra crunch to the noodles and a little nutty flavor. Place the pan back on medium heat and add in 2 teaspoons of chili oil. Very carefully add in the knife pear noodles. Saute the noodles for a couple of minutes, then add in the garlic and ginger. Saute the noodles for another couple of minutes. This will introduce some pan-seared flavor to the noodles as it takes on that aromatic chili oil. Add in about a cup of the crumbled tofu. Add in the green onions. And add in that delicious sauce. Saute for another couple of minutes. The noodles will really pick up that sauce and get this beautiful crimson glow. I'd say this recipe is good for 1 to 2 portions, but more likely 1 portion after you've tried it. Add in the crushed peanuts. Fold the noodles to combine, then you're all done. This is definitely one of the easiest, quickest, and most delicious noodle recipes ever. Plate the noodles and serve. You can now enjoy these delicious noodles with absolute confidence.
This smells and looks absolutely amazing. I can literally eat this every single day. Visually it looks just rustic, but yet inviting with that beautiful orangey red glow from the chili oil. The noodles are cooked perfectly and has that really nice elasticity, and they also absorb that delicious sauce, and it's just painted with that chili oil and the soy sauce and that dark soy sauce, which gives it that beautiful caramel color. Right from that first bite, you're welcomed with an explosion of umami. It's salty, it's earthy, it has bold, nutty flavor. Those peanuts add that nice extra crunch, and the green onions just bring this nice freshness. The crumbled tofu looks and tastes extraordinary. It has a really robust chewiness along with that little bit of crispy crust. The chili oil is really prominent. It adds that little bit of spiciness, that nice smokiness, and a really beautiful fragrance as well. This has got to be the ultimate savory noodle dish. It's easy to make, absolutely packed with incredible umami, and of course you can make this amazing restaurant style dish in the comfort of your own home. Like I always say, it's simple, delicious recipes like this that makes it so much fun and exciting to cook and dine in at home. And if you love easy, delicious recipes like I do, be sure to check out or pick up your copy of one of the 4 Young Man Cooking cookbooks. There's a print or digital version available in the link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. Of course, as always, if you enjoyed today's recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed with that notification bell clicked, be sure to do so that we can cook together again in the next episode.